that car is definitely stolen.
Well then, Euro Day. What a day that was.
It's great for me. Not great for some. There were 2 M3 Bingles, 1 3 Series that
Airbags went off.
fell off the track a bit.
And then there was an E90 that developed some oil consumption along the lines of about 9 litres in 80 metres. Wasn't great. Unfortunately, it was mine. So that's what today's about. We're going to have a bit of a chat about what happened. And
the Honda was fine though. For anyone worried, it is safe in the garage. Drove home great.
No one cares.
I care. So yeah, enjoy.
Once it started, the unfortunate things with cars that don't start is they can't brake. This is just a matter of fact. When cars are running, they have the potential for failures. So yeah, I'm one up on the Honda because it started, got to the event, had a lot of fun, couple of sessions, and then it was about after lunchtime. We had a bit of a failure, bit of a walk of shame, bit of oil, bit of theatre, but yeah,
and
it happens.
Yeah,
cars are fun, or so I'm told anyway. If anyone would like to, provide some tips on how to enjoy your cars and not just be caused many pains, feel free, because I would like to know right now.
Don't buy a BMW.
Besides that,
Camry for life.
Well, that's something we can all agree on.
Oh look!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no.
Is that... That's not PPE?
Whoa, dude, you can't park there.
I can't park there. How the fuck did that happen?
But good news is no conrods were lost. I was going to say hurt, but no conrods were lost. We found them. That's good.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we did find them. As you'll find out later, we've got a bit of a time lapse of the process of pulling the engine apart, getting the engine out of the car, and but a bit of a surprise at the end. So you'll have to hang on and find out what that was. So enjoy. We'll cue the music.
welcome to the aftermath of Euroday 2022. What do you get when you cross a big
This is what
man?
happens when your car actually starts. They get the opportunity to brake.
We'll start it then. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, you put a big man in your little car, you go and brake. Not that it was his fault, it was German's fault. Apparently Germany doesn't know how to make rod bearings. Or straight conrods.
Rod New Zealand said.
Looks good to me. But yeah, this is going to be the first time I've seen a steering rack broken by a piston. I mean, by a conrod. Same. Well done. I'm surprised the...
If you're going to do something, you do it proper.
You could also not do it. That's an option. But at least there's possibility for swaps.
New engine on play.
I mean the 103.
I thought the 4G63 would be good to go back in. It's air cooled.
I mean, yeah, maybe not. But yeah, enjoy some sort of time lapse or something while this comes apart, and I'll give you a bit more of an update when the dirty training's off.
Interesting.
I found your piston.
Piston these. Gudgeon pins.
Mm-hmm.
Some water. That's a lot of damage.
Hope you got a good oil filter. Careful.
Oh no, damaged it. Oh.
Well, the good news is the pieces seem to be mainly there, so
That's a bit of ring groove.
we can rebuild.
Well, that's a rod bolt.
Rodney.
Well, good news, there's still some oil in there.
Oh, yeah.
Might want that rag actually.
Yeah, show us your sump parts. Well, I still got a crankshaft in there, that's good. For sale.
Only driven Sundays.
I mean, yeah, it was a Sunday, so we're not lying.
only driven at church. Church is 8,400 RPM.
Well, rest in peace, that engine. Do you want a stick to try and
No,
get it out?
I've got this. Oh, treasure hunt. We got something.
All right. Right. Bro, I know like fuel prices and V8 registration is pretty bad, but there are other ways.
Where's the big bar?
That is a.
Pin still looks good.
Yeah, it's not,
Reuse that.
it's not in bad condition. Like, I'd put that in the Camry.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, that's right.
Can you swing that the other way?
Oh.
I'll get it. 'Cause I can...
Not from this side.
Yeah.
Looks comfortable.
Yeah, very.
Ooh. This thing's paying up. I can imagine these things aren't cheap, so it's good to recover them.
It's the other rod, but I can't seem to get it past the crank, which is weird because that's definitely where they go, past the crank.
Mechanic. Oh. That's not in bad shape. Like, yeah, that's a good trophy. Goodies. Oh. This is a very odd type of fishing.
I'm into it though.
You're very good at it. I honestly don't think you need to buy a new engine. Like, all the bits are here. Are you any good at puzzles?
Yeah. Bit of crazy glue.
Better be pretty fucking crazy.
Really want to get that rod out, but it's not letting me.
Ta-da.
Oh, that's a bearing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's still got the piston clip in it, the gudgeon pin clip.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, the rod's still got the fucking gudgeon pin in it. That's why it doesn't want to come out.
Actually, no, there's a fair bit of scoring on this piston. I don't think we can reuse it. Dang it. But yeah, look. coming together.
Hard to tell what the fate of that was.
Oh. Crunchy.
If his brother would come free, I'd have this.
Fuck, I think I scratched that, man.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry. Well, fucking, I think I just caused more damage than Teua did.
So close, but the rod bolt's still in it.
How dare it?
Yeah. How dare it do its job? Where am I at? There.
Well, what have we learnt today, kids? Don't buy a BMW, and if you do, don't lend it to Teua. Sorry, bro. I know it's not your fault. It's BMW's fault.
It's a stud.
Just like me. Well. It's dilating. I think it's a boy. Congratulations. It's a little baby Rodney. Fuck, it stinks. Not as bad as that.
On that note,
That's
show's over, folks.
that's all, folks.
Oh, fucking hell!
Oh my.